Okay, so we have our lovely client here, Helle, and she is, what do you do?
Hi guys, I'm Helle Trevino. I'm the current world champion in women's bodybuilding. And I also, love hair, and I always come here at the Magic Hair Company because she just does a fabulous job. Like, I mean, she just made my hair, and like, look how it just falls to the face, and just she did a beautiful style, and the wig is really like, it's so natural. Like when you can see the line, and it's just super natural how she made it. It's secure. It's a full lace wig that's glued on, so it's like I can dance, I can
shake your head for me.
I can pose.
That's right. Let's see the back.
It's just it feels like really secure. I feel very confident wearing it and being able to go to events, and I can like pose. And right now I'm heading out tomorrow to an event in Tampa, a bodybuilding and fitness show where I'm gonna like pose with the fans. So I gotta make sure that the hair is on point, and that it's that the wig is secure. And I feel confident with the service from Magic Hair Company that definitely this will be a wig that will look good all weekend.
Thank you. It looks great.